Playtime songs.
Sink or float, what do you think? Let's give it a try. Drop it in, watch it now. Will it sink or fly? Splash! Here's an apple, round and red. Drop it in, go ahead. Down it goes or stays afloat. Let's see if it sinks or floats. Sink or float, what do you think? Sink or float, what do you think? Sink or float, what do you think? Sink or float. Here's a spoon from our lunch, metal strong and nice to crunch. Drop it down, plop or boat. Let's test, will it sink or float? This balloon is full of air. Drop it gently, handle with care. Will it rise or will it soak? Let's find out with one big poke. Sink or float, what do you think? Sink or float, what do you think? Sink or float, what do you think? Sink or float. Sink or float, we love to test. Little bear says science is best.